Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a very simple, natural and effective remedy you can prepare in the comfort of your home to strengthen the strands of your hair, to grow your hair to your desired length. So if this is your first time stopping by, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. And if you find this video interesting and useful, share with your friends and loved ones. If you like it, give us a huge thumbs up. The first ingredient we're needing for this simple remedy is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is going to help repair the dead skin cells on your scalp. It's going to act as a conditioner that smooths and shines your hair. It's going to promote your hair growth. It's going to prevent any kind of itching and reduce dandruff on your scalp. Honey, it's almost finished. Honey is rich in antioxidant properties. It's rich in antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey is going to help purify your scalp by dragging out all the impurities from your skin, from your scalp pores, and cleanse your scalp and tighten your pores, and it's going to help treat any kind of itchiness on your scalp. It's going to get rid of any kind of inflammation on your scalp, and it's going to nourish your scalp with all the necessary nourishment your scalp needs. Castor oil. Castor oil contains anti-inflammatory properties. It's going to help relieve any kind of inflammation, and it's going to relieve any kind of pain from your scalp. It's going to help with the healing process of any kind of injury caused by too much itching. It's going to fight any kind of infections and keep your scalp moisturized. It's going to eliminate dandruff from your scalp. Shampoo. Guys, make sure your shampoo doesn't have sulfur as one of its ingredients. As you can see, this is all natural shampoo. Like, it contains all natural nuts and oil. It's made up of natural fruits, and the oil it's very oily. This is my shampoo I've been using for over 2 to 3 months now, and it's very effective and it's super natural. So if you're going to try this remedy at home, actually you should try this remedy at home, make sure that your shampoo doesn't contain sulfur, because sulfur is a bit harsh to the scalp. So make sure your shampoo doesn't contain sulfur. Any shampoo at all is okay so far as it doesn't have sulfur as one of its ingredients. Gel. So I'll be needing just this quantity of aloe vera gel. Yeah, this size is okay for this remedy. We'll just wash the aloe vera, open the sides so that it will be easy to extract the gel. If you have the bottled or already prepared aloe vera that are sold in stores and supermarkets, you can as well use that one, but this one is more preferable because you are sure what you're using. You are sure that there's no extra chemical added to this. So this fresh one is very advisable to use. But if you have the stores, the ones that are sold in stores, just go ahead and use that. And here is my cute little mortar so that I can crush the gel to form a little paste. So yeah guys, that's the gel. You just need about half tablespoon of the gel, and that will do. Here is our gel, guys. I hope you can see it. So we'll just go ahead and match this up. If you have a blender, you can just put this in your blender and just blend it. So guys, our aloe vera gel is ready, so we'll just go ahead and turn this into our mixing. 1 tablespoon, and it's almost exactly what I have in my mortar, so I'll just go ahead and I need just about half tablespoon of the honey. Just about half tablespoon. Okay. Yeah. Yeah guys, that's just about half tablespoon of the honey, half tablespoon of castor oil, and yeah, that is it. We need 1 tablespoon of this shampoo. Okay, that's just enough. This remedy is best to be done with a bowl you use in your bathroom, not your kitchen bowl, because this remedy is for your hair, to grow your hair to any desired length, to strengthen your hair. And so guys, our hair thickener is ready. This remedy is going to strengthen your hair, is going to grow your hair to a wonderful length, depending on how religious you are with this remedy. So guys, this is it. That is what it looks like. For the application of this remedy, you just go ahead and massage this into your scalp. Make sure you wash your hair clean before you massage this into your scalp, and leave it on you overnight. You put on your shower cap so you can sleep comfortably. Just massage this remedy into your scalp and allow it to circulate around your head and your hair. Make sure every strand of your hair has benefits from this remedy. So you repeat this twice in a week for about 2 to 3 weeks for maximum results. Remember, this works overnight. You apply this on your scalp after your shower. Just leave it on you overnight. Put on your shower cap so that you can have a peaceful night rest. So guys, do try this at home. If this video was helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones, and click on the subscribe button below so you'll be notified when I upload new and interesting videos, just as with this one on this channel. Turn on the notification bell. So if this video was helpful and useful and you'd like to give us a huge thumbs up, and till my next video guys, I'll see you very soon.